Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July. So if you haven't seen my original Ipsy unbagging for July, which is my regular bag, I will link it down below. This one is the upgraded version, so I actually do get both. I love seeing the differences between the two and also sharing those differences with you. So I will have that link below if you want to check that one out. This one is $25 every month. If you opt to get that, you can get either, you can get both. It just depends on what you want. So quickly before we get into the box, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking this video, giving my little channel a chance. It honestly makes me so happy when you guys watch, like, comment, subscribe, everything. It just brings so much joy, so thank you for that. And before I ramble on for 10 minutes, let's get into it. And I've just torn my entire box open. So I do have add-ons in here, but it looks like I have a couple of extra items too, which I think are what I used my points on. So I actually need to look really quick and see like what's what so that I know I'm telling you accurate information. What is that even? Okay, so I think I have it figured all out. So first, let me show you the things that I got with my points. I have two little items I decided to pick up and just try out. So first, this is from Estate. This is the Do Me Baked Highlighter Powder. That's the box right there. Okay, it looks like it's in the shade Pearl. So this is what the packaging looks like. Cute little light pink. Here is the actual powder. Let me swatch. Feels a little powdery. Oh, that's pretty though. It looks like it's got a little glow to it. It's not like incredibly blinding because it's got like a little bit of a powdery texture to it, but it's not bad at all. I can definitely make this work. It would actually look cute with the look I have on today, but I have on Pillow Talk from Ofra, which is really pretty, but not quite as like glowy as like Ofra highlights, just as an example, but you can see it. You see the reflective quality, so I'm not mad at that. I think I spent like 600 points or something on that. I don't even know. And then I also got the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. Here's a little guy. It's an interesting little pot. It looks like it would have like a lip mask in it. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Literally looks like jelly. Oh wow. And sorry about that highlight still on my finger, but it's like stuck to my finger. Very, very light gel-like. Not usually what I like for my skin because I'm a little bit drier, but you know, it's a great way to try something out and see what you think. It's a little sticky, but I found some products from Illamasqua that I really enjoy, so I just thought, hey, why not give it a try? And now let's dive into the July box. I do have 3 add-ons, so I want to show you those first. So each of these was only $3. You cannot beat that. And the first one I'm so excited about. This is the Luxie 1010 Small Contour Brush. This is like their pro brushes. They look so nice. But I have one like this, which is a foundation, and I really like it. It's got like an ergonomic little indentation here when you hold it, and it feels nice. I feel like this would be a really nice contour brush. It's got like just the right size to tuck in here or like under the jawline. So very excited to use this brush really soon. I got another Colored Rain single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Who Me. So if you didn't see my regular Ipsy bag unboxing, I did get a different shade of this as an add-on for that one. Oh, this looks really pretty. So once again, I love the sleek like white packaging. It's just so nice and elegant. And let's see, the other one was super gorgeous. Wow. This looks like a rose gold, maybe? Whoa! I'm so impressed with the quality of these. And again, only $3. $3 for both of those, just insane. And then finally, I just thought this was really cute and would be nice to try. This is from Dilly Delight, the Real Egging Pack. So this is what it looks like. So this is like a little egg. Let me see if I can pop this out. So basically inside you have like a little cream in there. It's got white and yellow cream like an egg. You pop this little spatula out, you mix it up, and it says with this one you just use it once for an overnight mask. It says it's moisturizing and skin firming with real egg ingredients. Ooh, and as little as 20 minutes leaves your skin hydrated, firm, and helps skin appear more visibly radiant and glow. Okay, so this is a Korean brand. It is made in Korea. So I just thought that was super cute, and I will definitely try this out soon. Okay, finally, so after all that, we are finally into the actual items in this box. So first we have something from Touch in Soul. This is the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. Okay. So So if you don't know, Touch in Sol is actually a Korean brand as well. And I have been living for their primers. I have the water, the essence, the stick, and just regular no problem. But let me tell you, I love all their primers. They have been like staples for me lately, so I'm very excited to try this. The packaging is 10 out of 10, just really sleek and beautiful. So again, Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. So this goes for $38. It says it's a lightweight cream formulated with hyaluronic acid and hydrolyzed collagen to plump, firm, and moisturize your skin. Plus, it's safe and gentle enough for all skin types, including sensitive. This sounds like it's going to be another like gel consistency, but I'm still apt to give it a try. Oh wow, there's a lot on the lid, so I'm trying not to waste it. So it's a little pink gel, and I would like to find like a gel moisturizer that gave me enough hydration. Hyaluronic acid is a great way to get just water basically infused into your skin, so very water-based hydration, but I feel the need to usually pair it with an oil personally, and I think this one's going to be the same case. But if you are someone who is combo or oily skin, I think you would actually really like this. It feels like it's really giving some hydration to the skin. It's just not oily or greasy or anything. So if you have oily skin, you'd probably really like this, and I just love the packaging. So pretty. Speaking of Ofra highlighters, we have an Ofra highlighter. So this is Rodeo Drive. Let me tell you, I saw this as a sneak peek and I was like, oh my god, that's one of my absolute favorite colors. And I know that I had one or have one somewhere, but I cannot find it for the life of me. But I will tell you, it was really beat up. So this is in the new packaging. Mine was definitely older packaging, and it was like the only gold that I consistently reached for. Like even when the Amrezy highlight came out, I was still reaching for that one. So yeah, I have no idea where it went, but I probably needed to replace it anyway. Here is a swatch of Rodeo Drive. So that is swatched right here. Very pretty, very glowy. It's a beautiful gold, and for me it can lean just a little bit dark, but man, when I have a little bit of a tan, this is such a pretty highlight. And I honestly think that Ofra makes some of the best highlights out there. So very, very happy to get this. Let me see what the retail value is. I think it's around $30. So $35 is the retail value for these. It says it's a hybrid product you didn't know you needed. Reflects light, which is exactly what you'd expect from a highlighter, but the golden shade warms up all skin tones in a surprisingly natural looking, totally undetectable way. I would say that's true. It is definitely a richer color gold, but for most people it is absolutely gorgeous. It's only for like the fairest of fair like me that really have an issue with it, but little tan and I'm all about it. Okay, next we have something from Pixi. This is the Skin Treats Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. Propolis I think is like a form of honey or something like that. So here is that. I love Pixi products and I do not have enough of them in my life, so very, very happy to get this. So it's really separated. You can see that little bit of oil there. So this goes for $15, not bad. It says step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, and protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. Alright, so it says, yeah, it says you can use before makeup to hydrate and protect, after makeup to set and add a dewy finish, or anytime to refresh makeup and hydrate and add glow. Okay, you have to give it a really good shake to mix those ingredients together. I just washed my hair, so I'm trying to like protect my hairline. That feels nice, and it's barely got a scent, but what it does have is just a very light, fresh scent. I'm so happy. Anytime I get anything from Pixi, I'm always excited. All right, the next item I already have in my makeup collection, and I love it so much. This is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. So here is the front. I will not swatch this one because I am going to put this into my giveaway, which is overdue at this point. I need to get on that, but that is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning, very gorgeous palette, especially if you do like mauve or pinker tones to your eyeshadow, which I personally really, really do. So that is a $27 value, absolutely stunning, gorgeous palette, and one of you guys will be winning this very soon. We have one more item. So this is the IT Cosmetics Superhero, excuse me, that's Mr. Manners. You done? So this is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So you may be familiar with this one, and a lot of people love this mascara. I am just not one of them. I don't know what it did. It was just a bit of a wetter formula, and for me, I didn't see the big hype about it. I didn't think it was awful, but because everybody else loves it so much, I will also be putting this into my giveaway as well, because more than likely whoever gets it is going to love it. I'm just like the weirdo who didn't love it. So it goes for $24, again from It Cosmetics, and I'm really excited that 2 of these items will go into a giveaway. I love splitting it. I always look for things that maybe I don't necessarily need, or if I already have them, I definitely just give them to you guys. So another item into the giveaway, and it's time to wrap up this unboxing just like that. So I do have one more little thing to take care of, but before we dive into that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you do have a moment, please leave me a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Again, it just means the world to me. So before we go, it's time for our dad joke. I went to a seafood disco last week. I pulled a mussel. I think that one's good if you know what a mussel is. Alright guys, I love you, and I will see you next time.